Bobby's investigating. Oh, no fighting. Look, all everybody can see is a box and a dog. Nobody knows what's inside until it moves. That'll be funny, won't it? Jeremy Beadle. Right, Bob's lying down now, so you can... I'm sick of this shit. Burger! Look at his head just pop out. Oh my god.
He's sticking him out all the time.
He was putting out doing Leo, Bobby.
Hey, you're getting burned.
Xander, you there? I know you're there, Xander. I got you here on satellite magnification. Xander, call me. We got a whole new thing to talk about.
It's gonna end up ripping in there. Bobby got scared. And the cardboard going down.
Pass the test.
She's scared at cardboard.
You gotta be kidding.
Look, she's after him. Get him. Get Putty Cat. Go on, get him.
There's more explosive espionage tomorrow night at 11:05 as Daniel Craig hunts for Stalin's secret in Archangel. Next, though, a cat burglar's blackmailed into the crime of the century in Hudson Hawk.